What's up, my little crazies? It's your girl C to the G. Back with another video. Whoop, 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 y'all. My little crazies. I love you, but God loves you so much more. Take care and be blessed. Bye-bye, my little crazies. Whoop, whoop, y'all. Whoop, whoop, y'all.
Your boy Junior, aka King V, and welcome to the roommates. Today we having a Chinese style dinner,
fresh from Keisha's kitchen.
So roomies,
go get your plates,
grab your food,
and come sit down and eat with us.
And while you at it,
don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that
bell button
so you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video.
Enjoy watching, y'all.
Now let's see.
Hey roomies, how y'all doing?
If you're new,
welcome.
And if you've been here a while, salute. But y'all know it's time for that countdown. We're going to get this over with quick. I'm going to start with this spring roll.
Yeah, I think I will too.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's good.
You alright?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one of the flaky parts. You got my throat.
Pause. It's amazing to me how Keisha turned ramen noodles into a gourmet dish.
I know, it looks amazing.
Now, I'm having spelt ramen ribbons. And I'm trying to use these chopsticks again. I ain't used them in look, I can't grab nothing in almost a year. So,
it looks like it came straight out of the restaurant.
Let me bring this back.
Like out of a Thai restaurant.
And I got my seaweed chips.
And I got shrimp.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick this stuff up at all. I don't think so. I ain't use the chopsticks and it ain't gonna work.
So with that, do you have to use a
spoon
with that?
I'm gonna have to get my fork.
Oh.
Keisha made me some broth and put my pasta in there.
It looks good how she set it up.
And it tastes good too. Oh, this ain't gonna work. I gotta get my fork. Keisha gonna get mad because I got it clapped.
This shrimp is so good how she cooked it.
How y'all doing today though, roomies? How's y'all day going? How's y'all week going? If you're eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner, how's your meal?
Or if you're in snack or dessert, what you eating?
Let me move this up there. I'm gonna drip it. It's gonna drip. I wanna use my chopsticks. I don't wanna use a fork. I be watching some of the Asians, and they be taking their seaweed. Let me show you how they be taking it. I can't do it, but I'm gonna try.
Or we take it like that?
And they put it on top of their noodles, and they grab it all together.
That's cool. That is cool how they do it. And I love when
I gotta try that again. That was good.
I like watching the Chinese mukbang, like when they're in them Thai restaurants.
Just lost it too. But this ain't gonna work, y'all. I can't grab crap.
I know, the only thing you could probably grab is
Nothing.
nothing like that.
Go back to the floor. But
Sound like somebody need my chopstick for dummies.
This broth is so good. Do y'all eat seaweed? Seaweed chips? This is nori. Nori seaweed.
It's amazing, but it tastes just like fish.
It tastes just like delicious. Me and Keisha would have a conversation because she had got a post on Facebook. Now, y'all check out this. Y'all check out this picture of characters. Now, the post say, "Who is the dumbest TV character?"
Oh, I know. I can tell you who that is.
I don't know. Some of these characters are. Some of them I can't remember a lot about them because it was so long ago. But some of them I can.
I could tell you honestly the dumbest one who I think in the male form is Michael Kelso, who was played by what was that? He was in that '70s show. I'm trying to remember what his
What was his character name in there?
It was Michael Kelso.
Oh, no, that is it. Oh, what's his real name?
I know it.
That's Keisha's boyfriend.
Ashton Kutcher.
Yeah, Ashton Kutcher. I love him.
Ashton Kutcher. I don't think he's the dumbest.
Well,
Cause I don't know. Kelly Bundy kind of take the cake with a lot of things.
Yeah, she.
Her and Hillary Banks.
Yes.
Your phone back. I don't understand.
What about Jazz from Fresh Prince?
Me personally, Jazz did some things that was like unorthodox.
Yeah.
But I never looked at Jazz as a dummy.
I think Jazz was dumb as a box of rocks.
I don't.
He was always trying to get with Hillary.
That birds of a feather flock together. Oh, and the girl from the Parkers too. She was kind of.
Oh yeah.
She was kind of slow with it.
Yeah.
Oh, my mama hated for you to say that.
She don't.
I mean, I told her that first time. She said, "What? What you say? What you say to me?" I'm like, "Don't." Darcel, don't be slow with it.
She's like, "Okay, Dr. Junior."
I used to love I used to love Kim Parker. She was in the show Moesha. I used to watch it all the time.
Yeah. What's her name? Kim Parker and Moesha? So that was a spinoff.
It was funny, Moesha.
Keisha, I keep trying to tell you, I wasn't in the house watching no TV.
I was funny because she had a mouth on her, and it got her in trouble one time.
All the time.
It got her in trouble one time real bad because she had to go in a boxing ring.
Joey Tribbiani from Friends.
Oh, that man is funny. That man was funny. He was always hungry and always talking about how he wanted a sandwich. He's like, his sister tried to tell him, "Joey, I don't know how to tell you this. I got some bad news." And his little sister was pregnant. She was only 15, so she's trying to break the news to him because she looks to him like a father.
Hold on.
She looks up to him like that.
Oh yeah. I'm dropping stuff.
And so she was more scared to tell him than her own parents.
That she was pregnant.
Yeah. So he's like, "All right, before you give me this bad news, give me the sandwich." He has to have a sandwich before hearing bad news.
See, you sound like that sound like you.
Cole was pretty stupid too.
He was unbelievable.
What was his girlfriend's name?
Was it Wanda? No, Big Shirley.
Big somebody.
I think it was Big Shirley's from What's Happening Now.
It was something. Cole was crazy too.
Cole
Well, who was?
Cole Brand.
But who was the dumbest though? That's the thing. That was a hard one for me.
Yeah, who was this?
Because I think that they all equally was like slow with it.
Yeah, the dumbest thing I was
For me, I'm gonna stick to it. Jazz was sort of ingenious with some of his stupidity, though.
So who was the dumbest to you?
Kelly Bundy.
Yeah.
Kelly Bundy.
Yeah.
I don't know. Waldo was kind of off the rocker too, but Kelly Bundy.
Waldo was the one who was in love with Urkel was in love with
Yeah,
Laura.
yeah, he was in love.
Yeah.
with
Waldo was Laura's brother best friend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Butthead on there.
Butthead's underwear.
Him and what was his homie name?
Oh, yeah,
Beavis.
not that butthead.
Not Beavis and
That's Bullethead.
Bullethead. What was his name? The boy who got the
End up getting, yeah.
Yeah, what was his?
I forgot his
Is he
character
on
name.
there?
No, he ain't on that.
Oh, wait. I think I know this one. Junior, the one on there. He's from
Junior
that.
was slow too.
He was in that one show. I'm trying to remember what.
Boy, that was on My Wife and Kids.
Yeah, I remember that show. That show would come on a lot every time we go to the gym because I got like TVs in the locker room, and I'd be sitting there watching it sometimes.
Yeah, Junior was slow too.
Because I always have like MTV played at the
And
gym.
didn't want to go to school. Junior did not like school.
He's not like this Junior. I ain't like school neither.
Was he bullied or he just didn't like school?
He doesn't like school.
Who else on there?
But he ended up with a pretty girlfriend. He ended up with a pretty girl.
Didn't they end up having a son or something like that?
Or a daughter or something like that. Yeah.
Who else on there? Kales. Kales was slow too. I do.
Oh, yeah. Him and his orange soda.
Who's the dumbest to you, Amber?
The dumbest to me. Wait. I would say the dumbest to me, it's between. Yeah, it's between Michael Kelso and Kelly Bundy.
Kelly Bundy got the most. He got the most.
What y'all think, Romies? Who y'all think is the dumbest on this list?
Got the most votes on Facebook too. Kelly Bundy.
Man!
The only thing I could say that Eric Matthews from Boy Meets World was smart with was how to get the girls or how to what.
That show.
I used to like Boy Meets World.
I used to love watching it. I would come home from school and watch it on. It was like on MTV too.
What, Boy Meets World?
Yeah.
Well, when I was watching Boy Meets World, it was coming on Channel 50, I think.
Or they also had it on Disney Channel.
Maybe that's what it was on.
Yeah.
It was on. It wasn't on no VH1 or MTV or nothing like that. MTV didn't have 2 channels when I was watching Boy Meets World. This broth is good.
But it's like that type of show that I can never get tired of watching.
Boy Meets World.
Yeah.
Well, that's what's true about all these shows. It's like
And that 70s show.
I can't stop. I could watch these shows right now.
Yeah.
I don't
Okay,
know.
here's the question. Is it a character, a TV character, who y'all think is dumber than them people that's on that list that should be there?
A character on a TV show? Let me think. Ooh, that cayenne pepper.
Yeah, I can name one. Yeah, I can name one. His name, he's on the show with Michael Kelso. His name was Fez from that 70s show. He was really dumb. Like, I was thinking about it earlier. That boy used to hide in Donna's closet. Like, the main character, the main 2 characters was Eric and Donna. They were like the perfect couple of that 70s show. And they would always go to Eric's house, all the friends.
What about that girl? I can't think of the show. Her character's name was Six. I can't think of that show.
Full House.
From what?
Wasn't that from Full House?
What?
No, not on Full House. No, not on Full House. But it was somebody on that show too.
Oh yeah, it was what's her name?
What's the name? Best friend.
Yeah,
Plum Dumb Loco.
Kimmy Gibbler.
Yeah. I know one. Jason Stackhouse.
Oh, from
Jason Stackhouse should have been on that.
Jason Stackhouse, you're a dumbass.
Jason Stackhouse should have been on that.
And what's the name of that show?
True Blood.
True Blood.
Or what about the Fonz? Did you guys?
The Fonz wasn't no dummy.
I don't think Fonz was a dummy.
Hey.
That was from Happy Days, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is from Happy Days.
Y'all drink water. This is eternal water. Come from two miles under the earth. When they bottle it, the pH of the water is 8.0.
So they say.
I love Ice Mountain. Like, I love it when it's cold.
That's always fun. This is too good.
What's the dumbest thing that Kelly Bunny did?
It ain't things that she did. It was things she said.
Things she said.
Yeah.
Remember she was trying to be a model or something for that car show. She was supposed to be modeling for the car company or something like that.
She landed a lot of jobs like that. Remember she was trying to she was working for the news with the weather lady.
She was also doing this one. It was like a Slim Fast milkshake type of thing. And she holds a milkshake.
But y'all know what? I think some of them was equally dumb on that show. What was it, All in the Family?
No.
No. What's the name of that show? Married with
Children.
Yeah.
Married with Children. I think that some of them was equally dumb.
Yeah, the mom was dumb.
What was the brother name?
Bud.
Bud was dumb too.
Yeah, he used to walk. He used to walk around.
I disagree with that one too.
He just wasn't as dumb as Kelly.
No.
No, he was. What his problem was is he was a con artist.
Yep.
And he wasn't good at it.
He wasn't good at it. And he could not get a girl to save his life.
The neighbor, he was dumb.
The one that was married to the lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the older episode, the good looking one, Jefferson.
Yeah.
I used to love Jefferson.
What's the name from our Three's Company?
Oh, she should have been.
Yeah, she should have been on there. Chrissy.
Yeah, she should have been on that too.
Chrissy was.
It was two on Three's Company though. Chrissy and Terry and Chrissy. Terry was the original.
Terry was the original.
And Chrissy was the one who was to knock everything over.
Chrissy.
Yeah.
She definitely should have been on there.
Yep.
Yep, she should have been on there.
But some of these shows was my favorite back then. I used to love watching the Will Smith, the Family Matters. You know, I used to watch the Parkers.
Oh yeah, the Fresh Prince. It still comes
I
up.
think I've seen every episode of Friends. And Martin,
Yep.
Boy Meets World. I used to watch a lot of this. Oh, Steve Harvey show.
I started watching Married with Children when I was about
I started watching Married with Children when it came out.
What year was that?
Married with Children.
I watched it in like 90, 98.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Them women used to pop, what's the name, across his head all the time in that shoe store.
What was the father's name? Al Bundy.
Oh yeah.
That fat lady that time when she couldn't fit in that shoe and she was trying to force her to put in that shoe. And it was somewhere hit that. Remember, he was like 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're gonna fall through the floor.
I thought, you know what I was surprised about? There was this one episode of Married with Children. There was this lady, and she was gorgeous as can be. She would come into Al's store and flirt with him. And They almost had an affair at his house. I don't know how it happened, but she appeared in his bedroom.
He might have been dreaming in the show.
No, it wasn't a dream. Because what happened was Peggy said, honey, if you wanted to have an affair, and you were having an affair, you could do it and I wouldn't believe you because I just can't see any woman liking you with the smell of your feet. And the woman,
make me choke.
The woman that liked him, she had a foot fetish.
Ooh, wait.
She had a smelly foot fetish.
Mm-mm. I do not like feet.
I don't either.
Amber, yes you do. Yes you do. She took my foot that day in the living room, remember?
I was using your foot for leverage
I'm
because
staying
I
away
was
from feet
falling.
altogether.
You was using my foot for leverage.
Yeah, I was falling.
Yeah, leverage.
It was leverage.
Rocking back and forth.
I felt violated. Actually, my foot felt violated.
I was falling because I was trying to hook up a cord, your charger cord.
Yeah. Cause I hook up a cord, alright. A
And it
bungee
was on
cord.
the side. I was trying to hook it up on the side of the couch, and the way that you had your chair, I was falling. I didn't want to fall on top of you, so I figured out I'd use your foot to hold me up.
So then after you stumble, or if that's what you want to say, why you ain't stand up? Why you just try to grind it all on there? We got proof. It was on the live, Amber.
Is that live still up? I think we deleted it.
Oh no. No, we was on the other channel. On TV.
Oh.
I was playing.
I was playing a video game, yep. No, we were playing with MK was in the room that day. He asked me, what is you doing? What's going on in your house, bro? What is y'all doing?
I was being taken advantage of.
I'm gonna send him a message. He still ain't dropped no video. He said he had started a new job. I don't want to be a Viking and drink this broth, but I'm gonna drink my broth. This broth is good.
The noodles and shrimp is good. If I was being a Viking, I would eat the shrimp with the shell still on.
They edible?
Yeah, they're edible. I used to eat shrimp with the shell.
I've never eaten shrimp before, so I couldn't tell you nothing about them.
I used to get made
You
fun
eat
of about
the
the way
shrimp shell?
I ate the shrimp.
I've never eaten the shell.
Oh, because when I would go over to my family's house, they didn't tell me you're not supposed to eat it with the shell on, so I ate it with the shell on, and no one ever corrected me. So that's why I thought that was the right way to do it.
That dinner was so good.
Yes, thank you so much, Keisha. I enjoyed the shrimp.
That'll be
$9. That'll be $8.
no.
Oh, them shrimp cost money.
More than that. That's 25 for you and 35 for her because she got to pay for the shrimp.
25 for me. I paid for the
your
food.
meal was like
that's the price for a label?
Yes.
Man, this broth got me sweating. And the weather here getting so good. It was so lovely outside today.
it was like 80-some degrees out today.
And I'm gonna say this. I think our governor knew exactly what he was doing when he said, "Hey, wait until May 31st because it's about to get hot." And they say it's a good thing. You know, what I'm saying that the situation is better controlled under heat and sunlight.
So when is it going to be that when it's like completely over, where we don't have to wear the mask?
I don't know. I know I'm thankful for Sugar Bay. Shout out to Sugar Bay. She sent me mask.
Oh, did you show them the Wakanda mask?
Oh no, she did. She sent me a Wakanda mask.
What was that?
That's my Wakanda. Wakanda forever.
You should have seen them people at the show.
Dressed like Africans and all of that.
When we went to go see Black Panther.
Yes.
Something wrong with that?
Oh, and then that one, and then when I went to go see Frozen 2, them little girls was out there and they Elsa and whatever else the other one name, and then the little boy had the Olaf on. Elsa was everywhere though.
That's the Frozen lady.
I don't know, I forget which character is which, but I know one is Elsa. I forget the other sister's name, and then you got Olaf.
I've never went to a movie theater as a kid. As a kid, I went to movie theaters, but I never went to one dressed like a character. I always thought that was kind of weird.
I would dress like a character, especially like I'm going to see Star Wars. Yes, I would dress like a Jedi. More like I'd rather dress like a Sith Lord. I like to be the bad guy.
I think I'd be kind of afraid of going in and showing everybody in there with their Darth Vader suits and stuff on after that stuff that happened in that movie theater that time when the man walked in there.
Well, right now, if you go to a movie theater, everybody gonna have on mask anyway.
No, but they have the whole long black suit and cape and all that stuff on. You don't see that in our neighborhoods.
No.
I don't even go to the show in our neighborhoods.
If you see someone with a cape in our neighborhood, it's time to run away. There's
Ain't nobody in our neighborhood wearing no capes.
No. Or if you see someone with a Michael Myers mask,
They ain't wearing that neither.
run away. I don't get how did he get away with doing that in the white neighborhood? Wouldn't people see that there's something weird about?
It was a Batman movie. You know, some people wear that type.
Batman movie you watching?
That was Batman movie. Yeah, and you know people
dressed like Batman. I didn't know it was a Batman movie.
Nah. You know, people go to those shows dressed up like that and stuff. They do that. Like you'll go at the premiere because that was a premiere, and you'll go to premieres of like Star Wars and you'll see Jedi's walking in the people looking like they going to the Comic Con.
So after that happened, why they didn't ban people from coming in the theaters with costumes on?
Because you can't let one bad apple spoil the bunch.
Spoiled it for me. I can't run that fast.
I don't know what he was doing. I don't know if there's no running from it anyway.
That's why he spoiled it for me. I would have.
I know he made. I know what they say to be aware is to be alive. I know he made me aware.
Yeah.
I wouldn't walk in. If you walking in there, you the only one standing in there like that. It's time to go. I don't care if I pay for my ticket or not. It's time to go. Eyes ready to leave.
I better watch that dude in there. Goodbye. They be like, you want your money back?
No. You can have that fare. Mm-mm.
I'm $10 bill too.
Oh, man. I don't know about your food, but my food was definitely on point. And if you ain't in that Keisha's Kitchen,
You're missing out.
you missing out. Before we go, I want to say rest in peace to a fellow YouTuber, Mukbanger, Look Crazy's house, Look Crazy's. What other channel she had? She changed her name again. Queens of Crazy. We had got a message that she passed away today, and we wanna just take a moment of silence.
What's up, my little crazies? It's your girl C to the G. Back with another video. Whoop, 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 y'all. My little crazies. I love you, but God loves you so much, much more. Take care and be blessed. Bye-bye, my little crazies. Whoop, whoop, y'all. Whoop, whoop, y'all.
Thank y'all for letting us into your home, your house, your workspace, your bedroom, your automobiles, your kitchens, or wherever it is you watching the roommates.
If we're in the bathroom, wash your hands.
Make sure you wash your hands. Don't come out the bathroom smelling like you was in the bathroom. And don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that
bell button
so you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video.
Thank you all for watching. Peace out, y'all. We love you. Remember to live, love, and laugh. Bye, y'all.
Rest in peace to Queen of Crazies, Look Crazy's
My
house.
condolences to the family of Low Crazy or Queen of Crazies.
Helena. Her name was Helena.
Her name was Helena?
That's right. I forgot.
See. Rest in peace, Helena.
Rest in peace, Halima.
Goodbye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.